हम गाज़ा के अंदर जो अफेक्टेड हुए हैं या हॉस्पिटल में उनकी मदद के लिए आए हैं, जो इंजर्ड हैं। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह पहुंच गई आपकी FGRF फ़लस्तीन के अंदर। Is all mashallah Palestinian here, they need help, so please, as we all know, it's difficult time for our brothers and sisters here. Their sacrifices a lot. They've been offered by open money to move from here, from Palestine, but they not leaving these blessed lands. So alhamdulillah, they are the blessed one, the chosen one. We need to support our brothers and sisters here in Palestine, inshallah. So we established one hospital clinic center. Those from Gaza and Palestinian in Cairo, they can go and get free medicines for them. It's all Allah blessing, but it's you that you give us this opportunity, inshallah. I will try to help more, inshallah, on regular basis, inshallah.
You are welcome. أهلا وسهلا فيك.
Ameen.
جزاكم الله خيرا.
मिलकर कुछ हम कर दे।